Welcome to AuditFY. Our website is audify.in. In this website, you can click on login here and log in with your credentials. Today, we will see how to enter master settings of your company and clients. So, in the settings tab, you have company. So, this is your company details. You may have more than one company with you from which you are doing the billings. So, you can enter the details. So these details are set up at the time of registration itself. So any changes in the same you can change, and so any bank account numbers and all you can add here. Account name. Any changes in address or anything also can be edited and added here. So these are the details of your company. In the client, you can add your client details or you can bulk import. For bulk import, template is already available here. You can download and enter your client details and add in bulk. I'll just show here how to add a single client. So I can give a code for my client GST number I can add. Udyam number if they have any, and I can add the PAN number, TAN number. I can add the address of the client here. Phone number. Address. I can add the details of their uh, user credentials in different government websites. For example, GST website password I can add here. What is the type of credentials I can select here. So similarly, I can add n number of uh, credentials here. Ownership, I can add the details of the partners. The email ID I can mention. The phone number of the partner. Whether he's a director, partner, depending upon the entity, whether he's trustee, designated partner for LLP, or partner for partnership firm. DIN number if it is a director or designated partner of an LLP. Begin and end date is the since when he is a partner or the owner in the entity. So maybe he had joined this firm maybe say on 7th of April 2022, and when he, if at all any partner leaves, you can mention the end date also. The DSC, in case he has DSC, you can mention the details here. Okay, PAN number is mandatory. So here you can see the details of the ownership of the entity. You can edit the details or view the details as and when required. Services, you can add or enable the services type which you are giving. So for this client, supposing you are giving GST filing services, GST audit services, maybe TDS, TCS filing under company law. Company law is not applicable for this client. Supposing I can leave it blank. Payroll, maybe monthly processing, PT filing. So which and all services you are providing for the client can be enabled here along with the fees. So how much fees you are charging for this client. In the bank details, you can add the bank account details of the client. So in case they have more than one account, you can add multiple accounts here. And compliances, which compliances you are providing to this client, you can select here. So maybe I'm not filing PF, EPF, ESI is not applicable for this client, I can deselect them. Similarly, you have masters for services. So these are all the services. In case you want to add any service type that you are providing, you can add service here. And in the individual category, if you want to add any classification, you can add here classification with SSE code. In case you want to add the SSE codes, you can add here. Member type, example director or trustee, or in case you want to add any other member type, say accountant or other details, maybe HR or something, you can add here. So similarly, you have the masters for credential types, compliance types, departments, etc.